how to use the new camera control button on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen. Now you can use this button on the lock screen or on any of the apps. So here on my home screen, if I want to quickly launch the camera, I can press on the button once, and this will allow me to quickly open up the camera. Once the camera app has opened, you can press on the button, and this will allow you to quickly capture or take a photo. If you long press on the button, so if you press and hold on the button, this will allow you to quickly capture a video. If you let go of the button, the video will stop. So there it is. I can press and hold. That will allow me to quickly capture the video. Or if I press on it once, this will allow me to quickly take a picture. Now if you press lightly, or if you half press on the button, this will open up the last camera control that you use. So gentle press on it, don't press too hard, just light press on the button. You can see it will open up the control right there. So if I zoom right in, you can see if I press on it, that will open up the last control that I used. And here you can swipe back and forth like this to zoom in. This is the control that I use, the zoom control. So here I can swipe it back and forth to zoom in or out. Now you can also zoom by swiping on the control overlay control here as well. So you can do that, or you can use the button to slide it in and out. Now if you double light press or half press on this button here, that will open up a different control. So here you can see if I double press on that, that will open up the camera control. From here I can swipe across to switch the camera control. So here we got exposure, depth, and then we got zoom. If I swipe across, we got cameras, styles, and then tone. So here if I want to select exposure, I can press on it, and from here I can adjust exposure by swiping back and forth to increase or decrease the exposure. To return to my controls, I can double light press. So double light press will allow me to return back to my control. And here I can go into zoom. I can press on it once to go into zoom. So that is when you press it lightly. If you want to take a picture, you press it hard, and that will allow you to take a picture. So here I can press it lightly to zoom out, and then I can press it hard to take a picture. If I want to change the layout, I can change the control. I can double light press, and I can swipe forward to change the layout. So I can change the style, standard, vibrant, luminous, and then I can double light press to return. And that's it. That is how you can use your camera control button on the new iPhone 16. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.